When I found out about the program, I was working at a grocery store, and I really hated it. Working with the public wasn't really my thing. I always felt like people were judging me, and that I wasn't good enough. And all that was just take out the garbage and push the carts, and that was as far as I could ever go.
When I got involved with MCIP, I had been unemployed for 2 months. I was full of a lot of doubt and didn't think I would be able to find any job that would pay me as well as the one that I had lost, or that I would just be stuck working at some fast food place. I literally didn't see myself going anywhere.
Before I started the program, I really wasn't doing too much, just working at warehouse to warehouse for like 6 months to a year, and then quitting, not really being serious about keeping a job.
I don't want to get into details, but I had a rough childhood. I didn't think that I was ever smart enough to get a really good job and lacked a lot of confidence. So all of this really pushed me to the edge. I didn't even think the MCIP bootcamp was a thing when I heard about it. I just didn't believe it. Just the fact that I was going to get paid for going to this class Monday through Friday and that they were going to land us a job at the end, it just seemed too good to be true. But I had nothing else to lose, so I went for it.
One of the most helpful things about the program was the mock interview process. I was really nervous about interviewing, and it helped me get comfortable answering questions in the right way. It helped me be more confident talking to strangers.
It helped me to have the confidence to talk to an employer, and they taught me the right things to say and what not to say and how to say it.
We did a tour of different manufacturers, and that got me really excited. I remember having lunch with my mom after that and telling her, "See these bolts in the back of this chair? I know a company that makes things like this." It was really cool.
We met with 8 employers, and we went around and kind of visited the warehouse, and managers and supervisors at that employer told us what to do, how to keep a job, what they expect for workers to do in their warehouse place.
Manufacturing is a great career for young adults because it combines creativity and technology. Modern manufacturing is automated, has robotics, computers, software. The traditional view of manufacturing being dirty and dark is no longer how a modern company sets up a factory and runs a facility.
There were all these little milestones at the boot camp that helped me build my confidence so much. This program is kind of based around people who have barriers. So anyone who is in that position and is scared about not having a place in this world, this is the program to do it. Even if you had it rough growing up, or maybe made some mistakes, or whatever. This is the route to go. If you work hard, you'll succeed in this program.
The program went by really quick, and right away after the class, they got me into a paid internship. It was so much better than working at a grocery store. It was the first time I felt like I was part of making something, part of being a team, part of something bigger.
Immediately out of the program, I had a job. They had me packing boxes, and then they moved me over to the other facility where now I unload trucks, load trucks, I pull orders, print orders out, and put all the inventory into stock.
Working with MCIP has been very rewarding for us. They've already brought to us candidates that are interested in the manufacturing environment. They've already provided them with the basic skills that they need to succeed here. And when they walk through our door, they're ready to hit the floor.
Everything has just been an opportunity with this program, and I'm making more money now than I ever did at that other job. It's kind of crazy how everything fell into place. This company sees a lot within me, which I've never had before. A company that says they see me as a leader. I actually have different options to where I can take my life now. I have opportunities that I did not have before this program and that I wouldn't have without this program.
The internship has been a blessing. When I first got the job through the internship, I was still living with my mom. Wasn't really serious. Once I got the job, I kind of got on my own, got my own place, own car, and now I help my mom out and my family out.
The company that I am at now lets me do a lot of different things. They teach me new skills, and every time I learn something new, I feel more valuable. Also, I got 2 raises in the last year, which is awesome, and paid vacation. It's like I have a career now, not just some job. I have a future.
Hello, I'm Katie Beta, and I am the chair for the Workforce Development Board, which serves Kane, Kendall, and DeKalb counties. We oversee the funding of this program, which is provided by the Department of Labor's Workforce Innovation and Opportunity Act. And we have firsthand seen the positive effect on our area's youth. Despite declining overall unemployment rates, youth unemployment remains a chronic and persistent problem. Youth people in the labor market have long had the greatest difficulty in maintaining stable employment. However, a youth unemployment rate that is more than double that of the entire labor force and an even higher for young minorities speaks to a broader and more systemic issue of how young people get connected to the labor force. This program provides an innovative approach to introducing young people to manufacturing through tours, training, and then on-the-job exposure, which can lead to permanent employment and a long-term career path. Oftentimes, the youth discover skill sets they didn't even know they possessed. Manufacturing is a welcomed industry for people with entry-level skills, yet a career with many opportunities for advancement and self-sustaining wages can be developed. The board recognizes that manufacturers struggle to find a skilled workforce, and this youth program provides a solution to this issue. Manufacturing continues to grow and is the second highest industry with replacement demand over the next 5 years. By bridging the gap between youth that are navigating the options for their future and employers that seek a workforce, BCS is providing a unique opportunity for our area's young adults to explore a viable and sustainable career pathway.